So Honda Civic Ep3 in for map today. Now this is actually my old Civic. I used to own this one. So some of the modifications have changed. It's now got a Teguar intake. It's got a manifold on it. Oh, shiny, shiny. It's got some big brakes on it because it's now a track car. As before I was having it as a daily. And now it's got some big brakes on it. Look at them. And it's also stripped out. There's some bucket seats, so he's having some fun on the track with this. It's not using the same ECU or map that we left as it left here on originally. So when I sold it, it was on one of our maps. It's not on one of our maps now, which is obviously why the customer's back to get the best out of it. So we'll get cracking. Richard will start his process of health checks, etc. It's strapped down to the dyno, so it's ready to rock and roll. Yeah, I miss this car. It was a great car. This, I really enjoyed smoking about in this. And there's some other YouTube videos which I shall drop somewhere like there or something, so that you can click on them and you can see the videos of when I had it, etc. But you'll probably see this one smoking around the track now. Yeah, good stuff. Right, let's do some work. .235, nearly 236 brake. It's pretty good going. it.